afternoon everyone, this is Zach Harris here from Profits for Wealth Financial Trading School. As you can see here, today first of all I want to discuss three most undervalued altcoins. They can take off and can make easily minimum 30 to 50% or could make you up to 100% in the next 2 to 3 weeks time. But not only that, I'm going to give you these currencies, but I'll also will give you an update about these currencies in a couple of weeks as well. So if you do actually want to receive these messages and videos, make sure don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on the notification. So first of all guys, as I predicted, this after New Year's, cryptocurrency coin market cap will actually start rising. There will be another bull run. As you can see, it broken through a previous 600 billion mark. Now the coin market caps shown that overall full complete market cap is 778 billion, and I reckon within the next week or so it will hit trillion. I was actually predicting 2 trillion by the end of this year, but looks like it could happen anytime soon as well. So guys, let's jump right in and I'm going to show you what are these currencies and how you can take an advantage of these currencies. The very first currency I want to talk to you about is salt. Okay, pretty decent concept they have. I'm going to show you in coin market cap, and I'm also going to go onto their website as well. I'm going to show you what salt is all about. As you can see at the moment, it's ranked 52. Overall market cap is 650 million. Circulating supply is 4 million. However, we've got the overall supply, total supply of 120 million. So it's still a lot of room to grow, and also a lot of room for this price to hit in between $30 to $40. But that's in a long run. Let's talk to you about, show you what they do and what this company is all about. There you go guys, so we are actually on saltlending.com. as you can see here, you can actually you can lend them all these currency in order to receive your fiat currencies, and it's pretty good concept I think, because a lot of people do not want to spend it. If you want to just lend your cryptocurrencies, they have a nice video to watch it as well. That's a little bit few old style video, like a doodly style, you know, the handwriting style video, but still it's a good video, good knowledgeable video. And the great thing about it is this salt, I think, is available as good few on good few cryptocurrency exchanges, and they have a lot of partners as well. Nice clean website. So make sure any currencies I'm giving you, do your own little bit of research as well. Go on to CoinMarketCap. Through CoinMarketCap, make sure you always go to their website, read their white paper, make sure you look at their team, who's behind them, and also check their background as well if they're given any social media context. As you can see here, you can see over here, that gives me a lot of confidence when you see that they're fairly transparent about who is CEO and what about their team. You can literally click onto them and it will open what they do, the whole lot, everything. Look, and you can always search them on your LinkedIn or Facebook and read a little bit about them as well. So that's another great way, actually doing a little bit of research behind the idea and the technology, who's behind them, and is it gonna work or not. So guys, now I'm gonna do my favorite part, which is technical analysis. I'm gonna actually go and search for salt. We'll go search salt against Bitcoin. We also have, look at Binance, because I love Binance. I also have an account in Binance as well. So let's have a look at their technical chart and where do I believe it's gonna go and what's gonna happen in the next few weeks. Well guys, we're looking at 1 hour chart, but I'm gonna change it to time frame to 1 day chart. Well, you don't really see much here. Not enough data available, so I'm gonna go on to actually 1 hour. As you can see here, they had a sharp bullish trend if I were to show you a trend, let me just draw a trend line there. It's a pretty sharp trend, and it's, if I were to drag maybe a little bit down here, as you can see here, it was a fairly sharp every time it was touching. It was fairly sharp bullish trend, but then after that, in between that, only on our time frame, it did give us a good few actually pullbacks here. Then we rose back up again. Let me just go back up here. As you can see here, from there it actually took a turn, and let me just show you when it was and how much profits people have actually cashed in before they start. There you go. If a lot of people actually got involved fairly early on, but if somebody's even got involved after the price retracement, because price was retraced here, and then after the correction more buyers jump in and they made maybe a little bit more profit. As you can see here, at the moment as we speak, it is declined, and I was doing my own research and I've actually gotten involved in Salt, and there's a massive gap from all-time high to from the price where I got involved. I'm slightly in profit. I thought that it was a very strong support level here. Let me just draw another line. If I were to draw a line here, as you can see here, this is very strong support on 1 hour obviously time frame. I'm not looking to make massive gains in between, maybe 30 to 40% or 50% in the next few weeks time. Every time it tried to break through this actually price, it couldn't. Again, exactly bang on at that point. We've got a really good influential bar in, so we've got a reversal bar, reversal pin bar, you can also call it reversal pin bar, influential bar, that could actually easily, if that bar actually finish off, let's say in around this point, I say it could actually start taking off. Even though if it doesn't, it would be a temporary decline, and I genuinely believe that it could easily hit up to that point, which is about 50%, 51% gap. So I've gotten involved actually literally last night, which was in around that point. I thought it was a great support level here. I think it's going to break through and going to go up and can easily make you 30 to 40, 50%. So again, great currency. Again, I do fundamental analysis, but I'm all about technical. I'll see all these breakouts, support, resistance, see what are the price barriers and which price barriers it can bounce back. And this is, I think it's a perfect opportunity in Salt. It can rise back up. Great platform, great features. They have a lot to offer, and I think this can actually take off and can make anyone in between 30 to 50% profit. As you can see, it will definitely go back to all-time high. So guys, the second currency I want to talk about is which has declined good bit as well, is Next. As you can see, Next has actually declined 5% in the last 24 hours. But if I were to do some technical analysis, at the moment the rank is 55, market cap is 574 million, and we've got circulating supply at the moment is, you would call it 998 million, nearly 1 billion, and their actually max supply is 1 billion, so it's fairly close as well. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know what happened there, 1 second. Yes, so what we're gonna do here, if you want, you can go onto their website, have a look around and see what they offer. But overall, in top 100 cryptocurrencies, most of them are legit, most of them have got great features, they have a lot to offer. But still, if you want to actually have a look around, that's what it says. Next, own your own data, control your money and budget. It's a basically it's gives you full control and give you the full control, a decentralized platform where you can do your own transactions and have the complete privacy as well. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time on fundamental analysis. Well guys, if you actually know me, I'm all about technical analysis. I like to trade on price actions and read their previous data and see how this currencies or commodity or equity performed previously, and based on their price action I like to take position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for next. We will do, there you go, we actually have it against dollar as well, so it'd be easier to actually look at the price. See if we can get actually a 1 day chart, which is, we might not have enough data. Oh, we do actually, yeah. So there you go. Next, as you can see here, it was consolidating, it was raining for a very long time. It took off towards the end of November 2017. A lot of people jump in. They thought it was a fantastic product, as you can see here, all the way to there. And if you can see, wow, nearly 1000% it went up. Okay, the question is, what is the market gap at the moment? Again, a few days ago I was looking at next and I saw a very good bar here, fairly strong bar right after the red bar as well. These are the bars, even though they're red bars, but the inside bars, and overall trend is upward. So once, wherever the trend is going, it's an old saying in a financial trading world, your trend is your friend. So once the trend is upward, I think it still is a lot of potential. Next couple of weeks time, and the markets will take off, will go up. I think it has a potential to go up, but it could be sort of hit and miss. It won't lose you money, but at the same time, as you can see, there's a massive gap here in next. Like, you can, even if you get involved from here to there, there's a gap of 200 and 215%. So that's my next currency that I think, the next coin that can take off, and once it does, it can make you easily 100% profit, because it's declined a good bit. Now, the last coin what I want to talk to you about is VAX. Okay, I actually like the idea of VAX. You know, it's slightly different. There's a lot of supplies you can see here. So guys, let's look at a chart here, because their chart is not available on TradingView. So we could always look at this chart. As you can see, when they first released into the coin market cap, they were trading at 460. It is declined a good bit. It is consolidating a lot. The price was in around we're talking about in around $1. Then it dropped to 80, 70. It's still it can, but I believe it can actually take off any time, and once it does take off, it can hit easily in around 150 to $2. This is something, it's a sleeping, I would call this coin a sleeping giant. But once it's gonna take off, it will take off, and it will make you a good gains. So these are the three of my choices, guys: VAX, Next, and Salt. Okay, if you do want to pick, if you want to ask me to pick one out of them three, I think Salt has great potential. I like their platform, and then Next, and then VAX, obviously the last. But these are the three underdogs, undervalued currencies that can take off anytime soon and can make anyone easily in between 30 to 50% minimum in the next few weeks time. So thanks very much for watching this clip, and have a great day. And if you have any questions, make sure drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.